So today we're going to introduce you to our new propagation shelving kits. If you're operating with limited space, or you just want to use the room that you've got more efficiently, then it makes sense to use shelving. These kits are ideal for the earliest stages, delivering rapid turnaround times for large numbers of cuttings and seedlings. We've selected Luxx Propagation LEDs to hang at the top of each shelf because they're recognised as some of the best propagation lights on the market. The build quality is exceptional and they come with full spectrum outputs that are tuned towards the blue areas, which is why they're recommended by an array of prominent growers on social networks. You can daisy chain them, allowing all 6 of the included strips to run from a single socket. That's because they're highly efficient, using only 18 watts of power each. The LED strips are bundled with a professional horticultural shelving unit. The steel construction is solid as a rock and it's corrosive resistant, allowing it to cope with the elevated humidity levels that you can expect in a vegetative environment. Each shelf holds 3 medium propagation trays with space to spare. That's a minimum of 72 cuttings per shelf when using large routing plugs. With 3 shelves per kit, that's at least 216 cuttings per setup. You can buy the kit with or without a 1.2 meter square bud box like grow tent to house it. And you can actually fit 2 of these shelving kits in there if necessary to really maximise your space efficiency. Garland boot trays are included to help you prep plants for the later stages. They're moulded with ridges to elevate your containers, preventing waterlogging when feeding. To push plants on from here, we'd recommend switching to a Maxi Bright Veg LED, which packs more punch for the rest of the veg stages. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.